If you own a Can-Am Ryker and need a quick source for a 12-volt ignition signal to power your LED lighting product, we have a solution for you. Introducing our plug-and-play power integration harness for the Can-Am Ryker and Ryker Rally. Before we install, please be sure to remove your key from the ignition. Next, you'll need to remove your left side fairing like so. Once the panel is removed, you'll find a small accessory power plug here. Simply plug in our 12-volt extension harness into this accessory plug to intercept the 12-volt signal, and plug the other end back into the Ryker. Next, strip the ends off both the negative and positive extension wire included with the kit, and plug the negative ground wire into one of the included lever locks, and the positive wire into the other included lever lock. And then plug that into the other end of your 12-volt accessory harness. Lastly, plug your 12-volt accessory into the remaining pins available on each lever lock, making sure to run the positive wire from your mod to the lever lock with the red wire, and the ground wire from your mod to the lever lock with the black wire. Once the wires are connected, put in your key, turn on your ignition, and test your LED product to make sure it illuminates. Once you've tested your lighting product, clean up your wiring with electrical tape, make sure the wires are up and out of the way of any and all moving parts, and reinstall your left side rocker panel. Now, if this 12-volt plug-and-play accessory power plug is something you'd like for your Ryker, head on over to slingmods.com and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with everything Ryker.